All right, time to focus. Here comes a report. There it is. Just going to mark this initial boundary here. This is a beige book day. So it's testing this higher end of the reaction. Let's see if it'll punch through. There it goes. Now let's see if it'll follow through. So this is interesting. A lot can happen in the next minute and a half or minute and a quarter. Currently it's in this green trade is the one we're keeping tabs on, but I'm sure we'll get another setup prior to that. So slipping back into the range, so failing to follow through at this point, but let's see now if we can find support and give another leg up. There it goes. Kind of odd because this trade happened here. Now we have a new setup, so that's what we'll focus on at 86, long at 86 possibly. And it looks like it may cancel, and it did. So we're flat, looking for the next setup. Well, we'll see if it tests the lows now that it failed to get higher. All right, so there's a short at 62. I went ahead and put it in on my matrix with a stop limit just to try to avoid some slippage. So the stop would be at 81 and targeting 44 and 38.
Order filled.
And it did just trigger in. So money management is down here now at 51. Let's see if we can get there. Testing those lows. That's the range. And getting to
Order filled.
52, and there it is, hitting target 1. Move your stop. Lock in your profit. Don't let it slip away from you. I couldn't even get my stop to 56. So mine is still at 61. I have not stopped out yet, and now I am. I guess I just didn't get filled. I couldn't get my stop down to 56. So I left it at 61, and then it got stopped out. So a full target winner, stopping out, and one and done, 18 ticks. Which is exactly why I like to do counterpunch, because I can get in, get out, get finished quickly. And this was nice. This session worked the way we would hope all sessions would work. Although a nice trailer or target 3 would have been nice, but you know, take what the market wants to give you. A winner's a winner. If you're in Spotlight, we could review counterpunch in a minute. Waiting 2 minutes pushes this down through the entry, and I wasn't watching to see if it was exactly at 2 minutes. If you were able to catch that pink trade, good for you. And if not, then you're in the blue trade. That would be your first trade. It's already at money management, and it almost got to full target. It missed by 2 ticks. So your stop should be at 57. And if you get 2 ticks higher, even 1 tick higher, that'll be power of quitting. 1 tick higher, there it is. So full target, and that one also winning, 16 ticks, still going, stop moves up, and both counterpunch and Spotlight one and done, but just getting it done differently. Counterpunch catching the short, Spotlight catching the long. The short came a little too early. I mean, you could have got in sync with the short now that I look at what happened, because money management is down here, and it never hit money management, and then it came up and stabbed through the entry right here. So that's a valid entry, and this pink trade is really the correct trade on Spotlight, because you get in sync, right? And the only when you cancel your get in sync is if it hits money management, or it stops out, or there's a new setup, but we don't use add-ons, so you're not going to see any new setups. So that is your trade, because it pops up through. That's already a minute into the session. You get in sync with the original. It hits the entry and then comes down and hits all its targets. But if you missed it and you're in the blue trade, either way, it's a nice outcome. Look at target 3, just got hit right on the nail. 78, 78. It's amazing how that happens. So hopefully you guys are as thrilled as I am, because a winner is a winner, especially one and done.